Hey everyone, what if I told you there is a tool that shows you what keywords to target, why some videos rank, and how to get more views on YouTube before you even upload? That tool is vidIQ. I have been using this tool for quite some time now, since the past 2 3 years, and it's one of the key tools which has helped me grow on YouTube. In the next 5 minutes, I will show you how exactly to use vidIQ for your YouTube videos step by step, even if you are a beginner. Also, do check out the YouTube Launch Playbook, which is written with pure intent to help YouTube beginners know all the tips and tricks with screenshots and step by step guide to set up and launch your channel the right way and also grow it in a way that is very organic. The link is in the video description. Now, vidIQ is a YouTube growth and SEO tool that helps you find the right keywords, optimizes titles, descriptions, and tags, analyzes competitors, and understand what YouTube actually wants. If you are uploading videos and not getting views, vidIQ helps fix that. Now, how to install vidIQ? Simply click on the link in the video description, sign up on vidIQ, and install the vidIQ Chrome extension. Now, I have another channel, I am Saave, for which I use the vidIQ extension extensively. So once you install the vidIQ Chrome extension in your browser, you can see over here, and connect your YouTube channel. Once you link your YouTube channel, you will see the vidIQ uh, appearing directly inside your YouTube studio. You can see everywhere I go, you will see there will be vidIQ extension, which will give you detailed insights. Now, the most important feature is the keyword research, right? Now, one thing is you can directly type in over here and you can get insights, but the vidIQ tool also shows detailed insights, right? Now, if you see whatever, so mine is a travel channel, so I can search for anything. If I'm uploading a travel podcast for this channel on maybe Alaska Northern Lights, so I can search Alaska Northern Lights and I can see the keywords. So I can get related keywords or questions what people are asking for. I can see the overall score, right? Now, the golden rule is target keywords over here with high search and low competition. So this combination eventually results out a overall good score. So use those keywords, and that will help you in getting more views, because this will help you rank your videos, right? The next is optimizing title. If you go to optimize tab, so this is the vidIQ setup, but you can see over here it gives a score for title and thumbnail. So it suggests better keywords, optimize tags. So if I click on this, it will give me a score, and it will give me alternate titles. If you want, you can generate, see it gives me alternate titles with a score assigned by their algorithm. They can also create, so they will give you inputs on why this thumbnail is better and why it is not. It will show you recommended tags which you can add to your video, right? So always include your main keyword in your video description. And the next key part is it will help you check on the competitors as well, the competitor research. Now, this is one very important part you have to do when it comes to growing your channel. The point is researching on your competitors. So this helps you to check on what are the tags they have used. So very simple. I will just go to YouTube and in travel specify see any video which for a trending audio or trending video, right? So let me go to some video which has got a lot many views, and I will show you. So suppose this has 24K views, right? So what vidIQ tool does is that it gives me a graph. It shows me the channel tags which has been used. It shows me Reddit engagement. It shows me video tag which has been used, right? And it shows me the ranking for this tag as well. So this tag is being ranked for this number. So this is how you can grow using these inputs if you're creating a content on similar lines. And then there is different tools wherein you can see the trending videos, you can see the niche outliers, daily ideas. All this you can get. Uh, you can see over here competitors. What are your subscribers doing? What are they looking at? Which are the top videos they are looking at? You can create thumbnails, you can create clips out of your existing videos. You can use this to create a script for your video. Now, what is better, the free or the paid version? So this, mine is the paid version, and free version is great for beginners. It gives you limited access, right? The free version will give you only few keywords on daily basis, only limited thumbnails to be created on daily basis. If you want deeper insights on keywords and everything, you should go for the upgrade. If you want to buy the vidIQ membership, do check the link in the video subscription for sign up. It's my referral link for vidIQ. And to summarize, use vidIQ for keyword research, optimize every upload. I use it for even thumbnails, study competitors, and be consistent. If you like this video and it has helped you, hit like, subscribe, and comment vidIQ if you want a full keyword research tutorial next. See you in the next video.